Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make a nice cookie with you today. We add 1 egg. We add 200 milliliters of oil, 200 milliliters powdered sugar, 200 milliliters starch. Add 1 packet of vanilla and mix. If you came across it by chance, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for free. Let's make a very nice cookie with few ingredients. I use 400 milliliters flour for this recipe. Add a packet of baking powder and knead. Obtain a sticky dough. Please leave your comments after watching. They are important to us. Do you see the color and consistency? There is no need to knead the cookie dough too much. Break off walnut-sized pieces, roll them and place them on a tray. Don't forget to turn on notifications for new videos. You can share it with your loved ones. Please leave a comment and let me know where you are watching from. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Let's make all the dough like this. Cook in the oven under control. I cooked it and let it rest. The cookies that come out of the oven are soft. We wait without touching them. After resting, it looks like this. I want to show you one up close. Its shape, appearance, and taste are very nice. You should definitely try it. I also want to show you how its consistency is. Hope to see you in new videos. Thank you for watching me. Enjoy your meal.